Right now, we're seeing an unusual sentiment score of plus 0.43 in the tech sector, which stands out against a backdrop of a momentum drop of minus 0.85. This suggests that while overall market activity is cooling off, sentiment is surprisingly resilient. What does this mean for you? Our API returns a nuanced view of this sentiment, providing you with insights like semantic clusters that help you understand the underlying trends driving this spike. Imagine integrating this data into your trading algorithm to capture the potential upside in tech stocks while the momentum is low, allowing you to exploit market inefficiencies. For more details on how to leverage this sentiment data in your projects, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.